Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to enable ultra wide or wide angle mode in Snapchat on both Android and iOS devices in 2025. So this feature lets you capture more in your snaps, which is perfect for group selfies or wide backgrounds. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you are on the main camera screen. So as you can see, this is my main camera screen over here. So the ultra wide works on both, but the most common is on your rear camera. So you can tap on the flip camera icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen if needed in order to switch from your front camera to your rear camera. Over here in the right hand section, you are going to see the option of 0.5 or wide angle toggles. You can also tap on the option of this drop down menu in order to get those options. So with the help of it, you will be able to basically instantly switch the camera into the ultra wide mode and into the normal mode, as you can see over here. Now alternatively, you can just place two fingers on the screen and pitch out. If your device supports the wide angle, Snapchat will expand the view automatically. Now you need to remember that not all the phones support the ultra wide in Snapchat. You will need a device with a wide angle lens like newer iPhones or Samsung Galaxy phones. If you don't see that option, so you need to simply update your Snapchat application, or you can also check your phone's camera settings. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.